This video will review loading the paper, changing the paper, as well as removing paper jams, show you the paper path for the RISO SF5130. So as we come up to the machine, on the left-hand side is where the paper goes. The machine I have set up now has no paper in it, but you can see your side guides are pretty simple. They have locking mechanisms on both sides. They just simply pop up and you can slide the guides in and out. Once you determine what size paper you want to put in, I've just got a handful of letter size paper here. Short side goes in first. What I do is just lay the paper down, then I slide the guides in. What I can do is slide these guides in to make sure that my paper is nice and centered. Then from there, just lock down both sides and I am good to go. So what the RISO does is when it goes to make a print, it will actually raise the paper tray up for you automatically. You don't have to do anything, you don't have to make any changes. What it does is bring the paper up automatically to the height it needs, and then it takes it through the machine and comes out printed out the other side. Now the exit trays are very similar. They need to be adjusted to fit the size of the paper. They're just on slides. They are marked pretty well down on the tray, so that you'll be able to see which direction to move and what size you need for your paper. But that's loading paper both in and out. Now, when we go inside the machine, in the very unlikely case that you would have a paper jam, when you open the front door, you'll notice a blue light is on. That blue light is telling you that the print cylinder can be released. If it is not on, just simply press the button. Once it is illuminated, you come here, there's a squeeze handle on the blue. Everything comes straight out. Now, from here, what you can see is the actual paper path. The white rollers is where the paper comes in, and we move over to the other side, and you will actually see where the paper goes out right there. So we're only talking about moving underneath the color cylinder about 3 to 4 inches there. So very simple, straightforward paper path. In the event there is a jam, it will be located right here. No other place to hide, no other place to get curled, no other place to be playing Sherlock Holmes and trying to find it. But that is the paper path on a RISO SF5130.